ABC Educational Channel, English Phrasal Verbs. Get on.
Please get on the bus.
Get on.
Please get on the bus.
Get off.
Please get off the bus.
Get off.
Please get off the bus.
Put on.
I have to put on my dress.
Put on.
I have to put on my dress.
Take off.
He take off his uniform.
Take off.
He take off his uniform.
Throw up.
I threw up.
Throw up.
I threw up.
Look after.
Can you look after him?
Look after.
Can you look after him?
Fill in.
Fill in the blanks.
Fill in. Look for.
I am looking for dog.
Look for.
I am looking for dog.
Look for.
Workout is good for your body.
Look for.
Workout is good for your body.
Go on.
It goes on ringing.
Go on.
It goes on ringing.
Give up.
She gave up without a fight.
Give up.
She gave up without a fight.
Talk over.
Talk over problems.
Talk over.
Talk over problems.
Argue with.
Don't argue with him.
Argue with.
Don't argue with him.
Pin on.
She tried to pin it on me.
Pin on.
She tried to pin it on me.
Hold back.
She tried to hold back her tears.
Hold back.
She tried to hold back her tears.
Black out.
He blacked out today.
Black out.
He blacked out today.
Pass away.
He had passed away.
Pass away.
He had passed away.
Wake up.
I usually wake up early.
Wake up.
I usually wake up early.
Get up.
Get up from the bed.
Get up.
Get up from the bed.
Grow up.
He grew up well.
Grow up.
He grew up well.
Pick up.
Can you pick up the trash?
Pick up.
Can you pick up the trash?
Throw away.
Throw away the garbage.
Throw away.
Throw away the garbage.
Run away.
He tried to run away.
Run away.
He tried to run away.
Make after.
The police made after him.
Make after.
The police made after him.
Pig out.
Let's pig out today.
Pig out.
Let's pig out today.
Eat out.
We usually eat out.
Eat out.
We usually eat out.
Run over.
The truck ran over him.
Run over.
The truck ran over him.
Break down.
My truck broke down on the way to work.
Break down.
My truck broke down on the way to work.